You press record. Okay, so this is 300 Peachtree Street. Airbnb. Tightest ever. Would not recommend it. First off, you have to pay for parking. There's bums. That's all around this motherfucker. Asking for change. And this is what you walk up to when you come home. Come to your establishment. That's also, hey, I did not even see this. So there's a bodega on the corner here. So you got your liquor store on the corner of the building. Ain't that great? You know it's hood. Get your Hennessy, your VSOP, you know, cigars, enough niggas thugging. We keep it hood around here at Airbnb, you heard me? Nigga told me you need to park in a garage because somebody might break into your car at night. How about the chair? Look at the chair, guys. Check out the chair they got in this bitch, y'all. Check the chair out. This the bar stool. This is dirty ass place, man. This is unreal. Check this out. We gotta tie it up because it's broke. It don't even fucking work. So the dishwasher, guys, actually has a tie on it so you can't open it to make sure, you know, you don't fuck it up. So this is what, you know, this is what professional people do. This is what you put on Airbnb, huh, bro? Hopefully you guys see this video, man, and definitely don't fuck with these guys.
The panel, if you can get it open, the controls are underneath.
If I can, so basically I have to jimmy open the panel, correct?
I mean, yeah, you gotta open it. Right?
So that's why they have this butter knife sitting right here, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, there's a butter knife sitting right here, so I have to jimmy it open. Okay, I got you. Gotcha. All right, boss. I'll figure it out. So you said I got. Let me see. All right, that one don't open. So I'm gonna try to open up the other one. So I actually open up. Okay, there we go. Turn it on. Okay, I got you, boss. Appreciate you. All right, have a good day, my man.
What were you doing?
Pure shit. So all I want to know is what Airbnb you go to that you gotta like do all this project and shit. Nigga had a butter knife. Y'all, I already got it on tape already, so y'all know nigga ain't rapping, faking, put this shit here. Butter knife was here. You gotta pop. The nigga said put your hands on the back of it. Now I actually do it now after I nigga rig pop the shit up with a butter knife like this.
And what's in there?
Some old this shit from like 72. I don't even know they made ATMs like this no more, man. Like. This shit is unreal, bro. Like, for sure. Don't fuck with them. I'm gonna keep saying it. Alright, Trap or Die corner. This is actually the corner of the spot of the Airbnb. Bodega, This is what you pull up to. This is what you pull up to every night, all day, every day. Oh yes, please, yes. All night, every day.
Neighborhood.
See how fellas do. hustling, man. Like, I'm just saying, man, this is where you're staying. This is the type of environment that you know, that. Hey, that's yes, sir.
Look,
Yes, sir.
you OG with anything. You, the queen, the women know me.
I've blessed a lot of enough people tonight,
Hey, look.
brother. I'm doing enough blessing, brother.
No more than 2 people.
Man, shit. How many times have we got down listened to that message? They said more than 2 and 3, y'all on them. How you gonna tell us more than 2?
We going down.
The fuck?
Oh, Lord.
Shit. Man, tripping. Veronica tripping. But she feel like Veronica did everything. That's just the way type of she is. That's that type of she is. That's the type of she is. You know what I'm saying? She just want to make it personal.
Airbnb, guys. Oh, you think I don't? With the mic, bro. With the good mic. Clear. Problem number 974. The microwave. The microwave in this crap hole doesn't work. As you can see, there is. I'm gonna turn the light on for you because I have a light. There's tape all the way around the broken piece of crap. A microwave, and this is your other microwave. Bam, he got one for that for you. And shitty ass pants, and whatever. Amongst all the millions of other things I've showed you guys.
Ain't nobody like no CD. Oh my God.
But they don't allow people to stay in the lobby. Okay, now you did it.
I've been 30 seconds.
Now, come on, bro. More like 2 minutes.
Been 30 seconds.